So we're at the Norfolk Motorhome Campervan Show with Luke from Thurton Auto Centre.
G'day Peter, how are you?
Yeah, good. And you're very much not about the vans, but about servicing and maintaining them. Tell me more.
Mate, we do just about everything at Thurton Auto Centre. So we've got 3 MOT testers, we've got large bays with lifts that can take any size vehicle, and we've got 1.5 acres worth of site there. So part of our business.
Whereabouts is this?
So we're in Thurton in South Norfolk.
Right.
On the A146.
So not far from where we are.
Not far from here at all. And I think we're the best kept secret in the motorhoming industry at the moment, because so many people we meet, they say, oh, I didn't even know that was there, and we could come down to you. Currently, we have about 400 motorhomes, campers and caravans that we service in our database. On top of that, we also do standard vehicles, heavy vehicles, all that kind of thing. But one of the branches that we pushed into pretty heavily, because there was a need and we had the expertise to do it, is our NCC-qualified motorhome, camper and caravan care centre. There we can offer anything from basic servicing, hab checks, repairs, you name it, we can do it. If you've got a motorhome and you're looking to have just about anything done on it, you can bring it down to us, from the mechanical to the hab area to everything, really.
So you can literally take any size of vehicle, even American RVs?
We can take American RVs. We do start to limit out a little bit on our MOT when we get into plus 7.5 tonne.
Right.
But we do have lifts that can lift up to 7.5 tonnes. So things like the Cathago that's behind us here, that can go up and get an underbody inspection and get Lanoguard sealing and all that kind of thing.
And the big tag axle, European tag axles, Heimers, Catagos.
Yeah, bring it in. Yep, absolutely. So I think that's something that is a bit of a struggle when you own a larger vehicle like this.
Yeah.
I myself, I've got a Transit long wheelbase, high roof, and just getting a wheel alignment on that was hard to find a garage to do it.
Yeah.
But obviously, with us, we can fit all that kind of stuff in and do it in-house, which is great.
And also, I hear that you're on a main road, so there's no sort of access issues of people having to work around
plenty
narrow
of space.
Roads or...
Yeah, plenty of space. We've got a full drive-through there, so you can literally bring a caravan in, unhitch it, and drive straight out the front. There's no weird reversing or anything like that, so really accessible.
And MOTs and servicing on any base vehicle, the Fiats, Peugeots, Fords,
yeah,
Ivecos.
Absolutely. We also specialise in doing the wet belts in the EcoBoost, EcoBlue, Citroen models, all that kind of stuff. Yeah. We are one of the most efficient and cost-competitive garages around doing wet belts. We're doing them every single day. Something that I guess a lot of people that get those vehicles end up getting a bit scared about, but for us, it's just everyday business.
Why should then people come to you? Is it the fact that you can do everything?
I think it's the fact that we can do everything. We're realistic with timeframes. We're realistic with what we can and can't, accomplish and get done. We've got a really good team about us that has a lot of wealth and knowledge. Whether it's the motorhome care techs, Nigel, he's got 30 years experience in building and rehabbing and refurbishing motorhomes. Del, our head mechanic, he's got 842 years of experience, give or take, in general mechanics. And it's old school, which is great. So, we don't just plug in and scan something and figure out the fault. We also know physically how to diagnose things, look at it, do repairs, and do stuff that a lot of people won't really get a chance to do these days.
And in terms of, I was hearing you're offering service plans now, so people can budget a bit more.
Exactly, yeah. One of the things that we found that we thought would be of a benefit to our clients is setting up service plans. If you invest a bunch of money in something like what we've got behind us, like an A-Class or motorhome or anything really, there's certain things that you really need to do every 12 months just to kind of maintain that investment. What we've decided to do is go into the idea of doing subscriptions to service plans where you can package up that yearly spend. You can pay it in a nice little easy monthly subscription fee. We've got multiple plans available, but probably the most popular is our Gold plan, where we offer MOT, interim service, habitation check, which is important for keeping warranties in check as well, full valet wash, and Lanoguard chassis protection, which is, can't stress enough, very important to do on a yearly basis. And we can lock those pricing in for up to 3 years as well.
So people know exactly what the vehicle is going to cost them for the next 3 years.
Exactly right. It's budgeted. It's also cheaper doing it all that way as opposed to doing individual, components. And it just takes peace of mind. Gives customers peace of mind, because we'll send them a reminder and say, look, MOT's coming up. Look, time for the service, time for that. Just bring it in and we take care of it all.